kí wa a kú ojúmọ́ tèní bó ṣe gbà la ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ ní kó tó di pa gbàgbé la fi sáré sí fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fún yín mo ní kí n sáré fún yín kí n sáré wá gbé fún yín fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ fẹ́ dìbò àti ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ní jàgàròdí lẹ fẹ́ torí jàgàròdí lẹ fi ń gbógun ti tẹ́ni ọmọ ológun torí ti jàgàròdí Àtíkù ni o Peter Obi ni o ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ tó mọrú ẹ̀wà tí jàgàròdí ní tó mọrú ìgbésí ayé tó gbé tí mo dẹ̀ ń sọ fún ẹ tí wọ́n bọ́ síta tí wọ́n yìnbọn pa àwọn ọmọ yín ní Lẹ́kì wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n padà nu o ẹ rí solution ṣe sí àìmọye bọ́n ṣe harass wọ́n tún lọ ṣe rally kan ní ọjọ́ Monday wọ́n tún yìnbọn pààyàn kan ṣùgbọ́n èmi á sọ fún ọ pé ìwọ tó fẹ́ sì dìbò fún gómìnà Èkó tó fẹ́ dìbò fún jàgàròdí bí ìgbésí ayé wọn ṣe rí ó yá kó sàmí pé bí ilé ayé wọn ṣe rí yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kí ilé ayé ọmọ ẹ̀ rí torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yẹn á ní kán sá máa lo owó lẹ́fẹ́ mo fẹ́ kó o bá mi wo fídíò yìí kí wọn náà fetí gbọ́yàwó ọ̀rọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n dákun sàmí o tó o bá wá lè sàmí bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń ròdì ká náà gbàdúrà kó mọ ọmọ rẹ̀ òdì kiri ìwà tó wà nínú wọn tí ẹ pé ìwà gàba èmi ni mo tó yìí èmi mo pọ̀ tó báyìí kò sẹ́ni tó lè tó mi láyé wọ́n tọrọ àwọn di Ọlọ́run ó ti pera rẹ̀ ní Ọlọ́run ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ di Ọlọ́run tó jẹ́ wípé ó ń kó owó pọ̀ sí ọmọ yín lé yín lọ́wọ́ ó ń kó owó pọ̀ sí ara yín lé yín lọ́wọ́ tó bá dórí ipò ó tẹ́ lọ́rùn fúnra ẹ̀ lóṣù ó ní kò ń dé bẹ́ẹ̀ lénìí kò ń kú lọ́la ló tẹ́ lọ́rùn ẹ̀yin yẹn dẹ̀ rojọ́ ń lẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún mo fẹ́ kó wo fídíò kó dẹ̀ ṣí rẹ̀ tó bá wù ẹ́ ṣépè fún mi gbogbo èpè tó bá ṣẹ́ á padà sórí ọmọ ẹ̀ nílọ́po. Thank you.
We can hear you, please. Are you trying to track us now so that you can track us and come and kill us, Abby? Why are you people not saying anything?
You are just being wicked. You are just being wicked.
Are you happy about this? You people are old. Let us have peace of mind. Give us a good comment. That's what we want. Are we asking for too much?
Don't you have children too?
Are we asking for too much?
Don't you have children too?
What is all this? Your children will grow up and you'll be dead by then, and they will suffer for everything that you people are doing right now.
Excuse me. You don't even read your social media. You don't need it to understand. You don't even think tomorrow today. You don't even think about the life. You think you live.
Is it not what we are saying? Who ordered the soldiers to go and kill?
We are sure you have powers over this. We are sure you have powers.
Don't we have the right to protest in this country? Why are we a citizen? Why are we suffering? Are we born to suffer?
Why do you believe it is me who ordered the army to?
Because you are the one with the talks, as always. You are the one with the talks. You are the one who is always doing this. You are the one that because they lock down toll gates, because you can't make the money you have been. Haven't you made enough money? For goodness sake, how much money are you going to spend till you die? How much money?
Who told you that I'm the owner of toll gates?
How much money are you going to be denying this, sir? You are old. You have children. You have children. You have children. You are not going to be alive forever. That's what you should know. You will not be alive forever. And when you are gone, they will continue to suffer for all these things people are doing. People came out to protest peacefully. They didn't attack anybody. From day one, then you people started sending talks everywhere. Everywhere is on fire.
So, somebody say, I love Nigeria. Some people are not saying it. It's okay, I understand. And we have to take a decision in about less than 2 months' time. I have discovered that it's the society that reproduces the leaders. When we shout about the leaders, we are the one that produce them. We are the one that put people that we want there. And they represent who we are. How many of you, by now, you don't have to say it. You have a candidate in your mind you want to vote for. Can I see your hand? You're already thinking. Can I see your hand? Raise it very well. I have already in my mind too. So raise it. I'm not asking you to say it. This is not a political group. Raise it. You are thinking. Okay, let's say it this way. How many of you have a candidate in your mind you wish we win? Can you raise your hand? Okay. Now, those of you that are going to vote, I want to pray a prayer for you.
Mo fẹ́ gbàdúrà kan fún wa.
And I want your loud amen.
Mo fẹ́ kí àmì rẹ kó rinlẹ̀.
That man you want to vote for.
Ọkùnrin tó fẹ́ dìbò fún.
May your children have his character in Jesus' name.
Àwọn ọmọ rẹ wọ́n ní irú ìwàsí rẹ̀. Sàmí o. Sàmí o.
Why are you
tó fẹ́
quiet?
dìbò fún.
Somebody is doing like this.
Why?
You didn't get it.
Àbí kò yé wa ni.
That man you want to vote for.
Ẹni tó fẹ́ dìbò fún yẹn.
That man you are rooting for.
Ẹni tí o
that man you
fọwọ́
are
sọ̀yà fún.
shouting on Facebook and crying
Gbogbo àwọn tó ń
about.
pariwo
May your
lórí.
children
Àwọn ọmọ
have his
ọmọ rẹ.
destiny in Jesus' name.
Kí àyànmọ́ wọn kó rí bíi tọkùnrin lórúkọ Jésù. Ọ̀yá sàmí.
May they act like him.
Kí wọ́n máa wà bíi tiẹ̀.
Behave like him.
Kí wọ́n yìí ṣe sí wọ́n rí bíi tiẹ̀.
You are not saying amen.
Sàmí. Sàmí.
Go and think. If you don't want a leader that your children will look like, why do you want to vote for him?
Tó o bá fẹ́ adarí tí ọmọ rẹ tí ó rí bíi tiẹ̀, kí ló wá dé tó o fẹ́ dìbò fún?
If you know you don't want a leader that will be the picture of your own children, why do you want to go and cast your vote for such a person?
Ìgbà tó o mọ̀ wípé ọ̀fẹ́ adarí tí àìsèsí rẹ̀ ó dàbí tàwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ tàbí táwọn ọmọ rẹ̀ ó dàbí tiẹ̀.
I want to pray again.
Mo tún fẹ́ gbà.
Whoever you vote for,
ẹnikẹ́ni gbàdúrà tó o bá
their
dìbò fún.
destiny, good or bad, come upon your children.
Kí àyànmọ́ rẹ̀ ó dá àkọ́dá o kọ́ wá sórí àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀. Ọ̀yá sàmí. Sàmí.
It is well.
Olúwa mi ẹ̀rọ o.
I said this because I want to take the election serious. Don't put your vote on anybody. Your heart cannot tell you. This is a picture of our future. If you do it, you are bringing a curse upon your children.
Má dìbò fún ẹnìkan sá. Torí tó o bá ṣe lé ègún lòun fi sórí àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀.